Today's our topic is array. An array is a data structure that stores a collection of elements of the same type.
We use square bracket to create arrays. We have three categories of data for array numbers: strings and booleans. First, we're going to look at the push method that's in the array. In this, we're going to see if we have an array in the string, like here's an apple, orange, and cherry. We want to add another fruit to it, which is watermelon. Then we will use fruit.push method. And as soon as we console it, we will see in end of array, we have another fruit add, which is watermelon, which means we can add an element at the end of the array with push method. We're going to look at the pop method with reference to our previous example of array of an apple, orange, and cherry. We want to remove a fruit from it. We will use fruit.pop method. And as soon as we console it, we will see in this way the cherry that we have in the end has been removed from us by the pop method. Now we have only two fruits left, apple and orange. Now we have the shift option in this. We will first create an array in which we have taken three fruits, kiwi, orange, cherry. Now we will remove one of them. So in this we have fruit.shift, which will remove whatever element is in start of array. As we console it, we will see in start of array, we have kiwi, which has been eliminated from the list through shift method. Now the result is orange and cherry. Now we have the unshift option in this. We will first create an array in which we have taken three fruits, kiwi, orange, and cherry. Now we'll add one more in it. So in this we have fruit.unshift, apple. As we console it, we will see in start of array, we have apple now through unshift method. Now the result is apple, kiwi, orange, and cherry. Slice can create a shallow copy of an entire array by calling slice without arguments and return it to store in a variable. For example, we took apple, mango, and cherry. First, we will store it in a variable, and then we'll console it, so we have a copy of it. Splice modifies the original array and returns an array containing the deleted elements. What we have here in the example is the numbers from 1 to 5. Splice removes it according to the index, so we'll put two values here. I created a variables and assigned it to array.splice. First two, showing the starting index, and second showing the number of item, which will be deleted. In the console result, we see 3, 4, which means we have deleted items. The length property in Typescript returns the number of elements in an array. Let arg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we console array.length, result will be 5. Length always start from 1. Index in array always start from 0, 0. Index of returns the first index at which a given element can be found in the array. If the element is not found, it returns -1. Last index of searches the array from right to left. It returns the index of the last occurrence of the specified element. If the element is not found, it returns -1. Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos, like, share, and subscribe.